just finished installing. Yeah, it's your boy Ro again. Just finished installing the Killer Bee cutoff. You can hear it beeping right there. Got the volt watch. Yeah, that's one man's wish over there. You know what I'm saying?
Great.
We over here getting it in all day.
Windows mods.
Yeah, we live at the shop again. We over here, Brooklyn streets. He's got the whatchamacallit going on there. Killer Bee. Super Bee, actually. So we're gonna run this right here. See what's up. Just cut the car off with the Killer Bee from the remote. That's what it is right now. We about to run this. Stand by.